Hey everybody, this is Darren from RAC Training. I'm coming to you with a little training tip today. I wanted to go over the 4 rules of gun safety. These rules are universal whether you're using a pistol like I'm showing you today or a rifle or shotgun, doesn't matter. So the first rule is to treat every firearm as if it's always loaded. And that means anytime we pick up a firearm, even if we've checked to make sure that it's unloaded, even if a buddy has handed it to us and told us that it's unloaded, we still treat it as if it's loaded. Rule number 2, never point it at anything you're not willing to destroy. Obviously, we don't point it at people, but this could also include your television or a wall where you know someone's on the other side of that wall. If you're living in an apartment, you need to be aware of that. Rule number 3 is keep your finger off the trigger until you're on target and ready to shoot. This is a tough one for people who don't handle firearms regularly. It's natural for your finger to go in the trigger guard when you're picking up a firearm. What I tell new students is to make an imaginary gun out of your hand with the finger sticking out like a barrel. That way, when you go to pick up your firearm, your finger automatically stays out of the trigger guard, and then your finger is already placed alongside the slide when you pick it up so that it's safe. Rule number 4 is know your target and what's beyond it. It's important to know that you have a backstop behind your target that can stop those bullets once they've gone through your target. So that's it for today's training tip. Make sure that whenever you're handling firearms that you do it safely. And if you're going to the range, take along someone new. We'll see you next time.